iLock Precision Carving Operation Manual. Dear iLock user, we are honored to serve you and thank you for choosing and installing the iLock Precision Carving Smart Door Lock. This video tutorial will guide you in understanding and operating the Precision Carving series of smart door locks. Part 1. Door Lock Mechanism. The Precision Carving series of smart locks is made of aviation-grade aluminum plastic alloy. The product has the characteristics of fire resistance, high temperature resistance, water resistance, moisture resistance, acid and alkali compound corrosion resistance, anti-collision and anti-theft, which meets the user's requirements for high quality and high performance of smart door locks. This smart door lock mainly consists of 4 components. 1. Lock outdoor unit. 2. Lock indoor unit. 3. Lock body unit. 4. Frame strike plate unit. The outdoor unit includes infrared sensor, camera, LED display, digital keyboard, IC card reader, doorbell, deadbolt button, fingerprint reader, emergency keyhole, emergency charging port. The indoor unit includes 4.5-inch LED display, display switch, manual quick open close handle, electric lock button, electric unlock button, child lock knob. The rechargeable battery is located behind the LED display. Please gently lift the display with both hands, remove it, and then take out the battery for charging. It takes about 6 hours to fully charge, and the indicator light will change from red to blue when fully charged. Please note that you should use your phone's original charger and charging cable to charge the battery. The charger's power should be 10 watts to 20 watts. We strongly advise against using high-power chargers or USB ports on power strips to charge the battery, as this will greatly shorten the battery's life. The door lock body includes automatic bolt, deadbolt bolt, child lock bolt. The automatic bolt is always on, which means that when you close the door will automatically lock for safety reasons. If you want the door to remain open, please use a door stopper. Remember not to use the deadbolt bolt or child lock bolt to block the door from closing, as the circulating wind in the room will push the door closed, causing damage to the bolt. Door frame strike plate unit. 304 stainless steel strike plate. Resin material strike box. Part 2. Door lock function operation. All program operations for this smart lock are performed on the outdoor unit panel. For new users, before officially entering identity information, please perform a system reset on the smart lock. For existing users, if you are already using the lock and only need to add new users, please skip the factory reset section and proceed directly to the user information entry section. Factory reset. 1. Simultaneously press and hold the unlock and lock buttons below the LED screen on the indoor unit for 5 seconds. You will hear a system prompt.
Press Enter key to confirm. Press back key to cancel.
2. Go to the outdoor unit panel and press hashtag to confirm. The system will automatically clear all information and restore the lock to factory settings.
Initialize success.
Important. The default password for this smart lock after a factory reset is 123456 hashtag. At this time, anyone's face or finger can unlock the door, so users need to change the initial password as soon as possible. User information entry. The entry and deletion of all user information, such as Face ID, fingerprint, IC card, password, etc., must first enter the lock system settings page. 1. On the outdoor unit panel, first use your left hand to cover the camera above the lock. This is to prevent the lock from directly performing the face scan unlocking operation. And then use your right finger to touch the IC card icon in the middle of the device to light up the screen. When you see the iLock logo displayed on the LED screen, enter star and hashtag on the keypad.
Please input admin key.
2. Then, enter the initial password 123456 hashtag.
Operation success. pass.
3. After entering the system, observe the LED display and select the first item user setting. Then you will see there are two options, admin set and user set. Please note, administrator keys are numbered from 001 to 009. Once administrator information is successfully entered, it cannot be deleted unless the entire lock system is restored to factory settings. Administrator keys can not only unlock the door, but also enter the lock system menu for entry, deletion, networking and other operations. Please keep your administrator keys properly to prevent them from being stolen. Ordinary user keys are numbered from 010 to 200. Ordinary user keys can only be used to unlock the door and cannot enter the system settings. Therefore, they can be deleted by the administrator at any time. It is recommended to select ordinary numbers to input IC card and elderly and children ID. This is because the elders are prone to forgetting passwords, and children's appearance and fingerprints will change with age, and IC cards are easy to lose, so setting them as ordinary passwords is convenient for later modification or deletion. Steps for entering administrator information. When the screen displays 001, please enter your 6-digit administrator password and press hashtag to finish. For example, if the new password is 225588 hashtag, the system will ask you to enter it again, and then it will prompt that the new password setting is successful.
Successful.
When the screen displays number 002, please press your finger on the fingerprint reader to start entering fingerprint information. Please press the fingerprint reader 6 times continuously, and change the pressing part of your finger appropriately during the entry process to record a wider range of fingerprint information. So when the screen displays number 003, please choose to enter another finger and press the fingerprint reader to enter. After successful entry, the voice will prompt fingerprint entry successful. We recommend that users enter at least 2 or more fingerprint information to improve the success rate of fingerprint unlocking. When the screen displays number 004, please press hashtag to prepare to enter the user's face information. Please note that the person entering the information needs to stand about 30 to 40 centimeters in front of the lock camera, ensuring that the horizontal position of the face is slightly higher than the camera, and the surrounding environment is well lit. Men cannot have long beards. If women have headscarves, they cannot cover their faces. According to the voice prompts, turn your head slightly to the right. Turn your head slightly to the left. Lower your head slightly downward. And raise your head slightly upward. Please ensure that your eyes are looking at the camera while turning your head. Do not smile or have other facial expressions. After that, if the face information is successfully entered, there will be a voice prompt. If the entry fails, the voice will also prompt please re-enter. Steps for entering ordinary user information. First, use your left hand to cover the camera above the lock, and then use your right finger to touch the IC card icon in the middle of the device to light up the screen. When you see the iLock logo displayed on the LED screen, enter star and hashtag on the keypad. Then, enter the admin password you just set 225588 hashtag. Then enter 1 to choose user setting. Then enter 2 to choose user set to prepare to enter IC card information. When the screen displays number 010, please pick up an IC card and place it close to the rectangular icon in the center of the keyboard. Then the screen displays number 011. Please pick up another IC card and repeat the previous operation. The screen displays that the entry was successful. Repeat the above operation method. You can enter face, fingerprint, password and other information belonging to each family member. The number of the information will be displayed on the screen every time the door is opened. Please note that it is important to mark the corresponding system number on the IC card with the marker pen. which is especially important for deleting it when the IC card is lost. If you need to delete it in the future,
Operation success.
please enter its number in the delete option. And then click hashtag to delete the corresponding information.
Operation success. Operation failed.
Smart Lock Network Setup. This smart lock can connect to your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing you to remotely unlock, monitor, and communicate with the door lock through a mobile app. First, please download the ICC Home app from your App Store. After opening the app, register using your email address and set a login password. The login password must be a combination of letters and numbers, at least 8 characters long. Check your email for the latest message and click Confirm in the email. Once you have logged into the app, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and has connected to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Please note that the smart lock only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Activate the lock's network function. Use your left hand to cover the camera above the lock, and then use your right finger to touch the IC card icon in the middle of the device to light up the screen. When you see the iLock logo displayed on the LED screen, enter star and hashtag on the keypad. Then enter the administrator password, for example, 225588, and press hashtag to end.
Operation success.
After entering the lock system settings, select the second option, Net Setting. The lock will now enter pairing mode. Click the plus icon on the app page, and the app will automatically search for nearby smart lock devices. Click on the Found Lock icon. Follow the app's instructions to enter your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network password and wait. Once the lock is successfully connected, the system will give a voice prompt, and the app will place the newly added lock icon on the desktop. Click the icon to remotely monitor and operate the lock. To communicate, turn on the speaker and microphone functions. Please note that remote unlocking can only be performed when someone presses the doorbell and your phone receives a notification. This design ensures that the lock cannot be mistakenly unlocked due to misoperation while your phone is actively monitoring. If the Wi-Fi connection repeatedly fails, please double-check that your phone is connected to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network and that the lock and router are within the effective transmission and reception range. The image quality is related to the Wi-Fi signal and network speed. Correct use of the door lock's PIR. The iLock series of smart door locks is equipped with a PIR motion sensor. When the lock is in standby mode, it can detect infrared changes outside the door. When someone approaches the lock, the control keypad will automatically illuminate, and the camera will automatically activate the facial recognition function. The advantage of this feature is that you can directly scan your facial information without touching the lock. Imagine carrying items in both hands or holding a child. The lock can automatically unlock and open the door, greatly improving your convenience. However, this feature also has its drawbacks. Many Australian users have reported that they frequently receive notifications on their phones indicating that someone is at the door, but the monitoring images on the app do not show anyone loitering at the door. This situation occurs more frequently in the afternoon and evening. The main reason for this is that sunlight shining on the door causes changes in the ambient temperature, causing the lock to mistakenly believe that someone is approaching or staying, and it often remains activated. This not only affects the user experience but also increases the power consumption of the lock. Therefore, users can decide whether to turn off the lock's PIR function to avoid this situation. Specific steps to operate. Enter the lock system. First, block the camera with your hand, illuminate the keypad, enter star and hashtag, then enter your administrator password and end with hashtag. Select the third option System Setting. Select the fourth option Advanced. Select the second option PIR Set.